Hi, my name is Khalil Al-Sagir. I am a multilingual consultant at RESA. The purpose of this micro PD is to support teachers who work with newcomers with limited English proficiency by demonstrating how to use ChatGPT to translate a text into multiple languages and also how to adapt the text to students' reading levels. First, we copy the text we want to translate. So I chose a short social studies text. In the ChatGPT message bar, where it says send a message, type translate this text into whatever languages you want to translate. So let's say into Arabic, Spanish, and Mandarin, colon, paste the text, hit enter, and ChatGPT will start generating translation of the text into those languages spoken by your newcomers. This will help those multilingual learners develop background knowledge about the lesson you're about to deliver in their native languages. Here's the Spanish. Note that even though ChatGPT has the capability to generate text in multiple languages, the quality and accuracy of translations may vary depending on the complexity of the text and the language pair involved. And as for adapting the text to the reading levels of your students, simply type in the message bar, adapt the text to whatever grades, let's say to first, third, and fifth grade reading levels. And hit enter. And ChatGPT now will adapt the text to the reading levels depending on the English proficiency levels of your newcomers. Note that each subsequent grade level incorporates more complex vocabulary, sentence structures, and concepts while providing more details and longer text. I hope that you will find this video helpful in supporting multilingual learners in your class, and see you again.